Hey, this is Lorena, and I wanted to do what something looks like under a microscope. Yeah, I'm going to share with you what my favorite thread looks like when it's magnified. That's the word, magnified. So come and look at my favorite thread with me. All right, yeah. Come check it out. So some of my favorite threads are metallic threads. This is metallic thread. It is from Superior. It's 40 weight, and it's one of my favorite threads that I use to make some of my beautiful banners. And so let's see what this looks like under the microscope. No, hold on. Trying to figure out my program. Oh, is she delicious? Isn't it pretty? It's beautiful, right? Look, it's look how beautiful she is. This is from Superior Thread, gold, they call it. It's 40 weight. You can see the beautiful detail of this thread. Isn't it beautiful? Look at this. Oh, she's lovely. So let's look at some metallic red thread. This is an old spool. Let me get closer. Let's see if we can get closer. Hold on. Ooh. Now you can tell that this thread is old because you can see that it's dirty. Yeah, you dusty. She be dusty. So this is what your thread looks like under a microscope if it's dusty. What delicious stuff. It's beautiful. All right. Okay, let me see if I can get another one, okay? 40 weight metallic thread from Superior. So I'm going to see what it looks like under a microscope. Let's see. Oh, that looks beautiful. And a bit more. Wow, look at that. That's really up close. The way it looks with embroidery, or how this stitch looks when it's embroidered. Look how beautiful that is. Kimono silk thread. $30. It's expensive. If you're a sewer or a quilter, you gotta love you some thread. She looks lovely. Look at her. Let me see if I could get closer. That's what close up looks like. This kimono thread is so fine, like you can barely even feel it on the tips of your finger, and there's this beautiful silkiness and just it glides right through your fingers, but it's so fine. Silk thread, yeah. $30 a spool from Superior. It's called kimono thread. So everybody loves this thread. It's called Aerofill. I see it everywhere in the quilting community. It looks like this. I have a taupe color and a gray color, and she's beautiful. I've never really been much about this thread because it's so expensive. I think it's like $12 a spool, but lately it kind of won my heart over. I use it for piecing now, and it just pieces beautifully. The thread doesn't fray open and thin out when you're piecing. They say it's 100% cotton, so I don't know. I just started using it and I really do like it now. It wasn't a thing. I didn't like the price tag, but you know, she's winning my heart. This beautiful Aerofill. I have this gray and this taupe that I use for piecing. How she looks under the... Ooh, she is lovely. Do you see that? And let's look at the taupe. Taupe in the camera fill looks a lot more gold. Let's see how she looks. Let's move her. She looks a lot more gold. Look at that. Let's look at the gray. When you get closer to this thread, it looks a lot more silvery or metallic-y in a way. Very silky looking. Beautiful view of this deliciousness. What highlighter looks like. Look at that. Oh my god. Do I really have hair on my face like that? We need to shave. Okay, it's enough.